Hello everyone. Today's video is on another Mike's Train House O-scale locomotive. This is another scale version of a CSX AC4400, or what they call a CW44AC. I guess CSX didn't want to call it like everybody else. But anyway, this one I was able to pick up in 2-rail. It's the 323 version. Proto 2 sounds, and a very nice hauler, very strong engine. I gotta get some new couplings for it because I put the couplings on this one on another engine, switching them in and out. But anyway, lots of detail on it as per standard. Let me go ahead and zoom in and start with this. Go up to the front. As you can see, it's a 2-rail scale pilot attached to the body. And then we've got all the grab irons up front and the door that opens, grab irons for the cab. These look a little more off of the plastic than some were. Some were pressed down. You know, back when they first started putting grab irons on, they didn't put enough space between them. They just almost pressed right on top of the plastic. Lots of nice side body grills, stampings, placards, top of the cab detail, metal side grills, handrails. Nice paint job. Makes me wish I think about the only thing I'm missing in CSX is I was never able to get a AC6000. And I would have liked to got it into this paint job, but never have run across one yet that they just don't come down in price. They did for a while, and I was stupid enough to miss them. But now everybody's wanting back up like almost $400 for them or better. Oh, for CSX, it's more than $400. Give you a nice rundown on the engine. Let's see if I can zoom in here on the trucks. I can. Gives you some detail on them. This engine's got some nice trucks. I like the way they're made. They got some pipe to the outer brake units, and very nicely done. Got some painting and at least, you know, differentiating different parts of the fuel tank by filler caps and gauges and stampings on it, or not stampings, but printing on it for, I guess, fuel consumption or gallons or whatever. A lot of pad printing for the body. Front trucks look good too. I've got a plow came in for the other engine that I put these couplers on, but I'll have to put the coupler back on this one in the plow, and that way I can say it's complete. If I can go slowly down the side here, and somewhat of a large picture of it. If you'll bear with me a second, I will try to take this one, turn it around, and show you the backside. I really like how Mike started putting the separate air tanks on the sides of the fuel tanks instead of just molded in like when he first started doing. On these later versions, they were little metal tanks with individual piping and stuff like that. It was a great improvement. So overall, another great scale plastic engine that was somewhat affordable when the days when it came out, and one that I was lucky to get, happy to get. Plus being, I guess you could say my favorite railroad's always been the C&O through B&O through CSX, or through Chessie through CSX. So I've always, grown up with them. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. If you could hit the like and subscribe button, I'd certainly appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Once again, you all have a great day. Talk to you all later. Be safe. Bye.